is where we'll be fishing today. Yeah, I catch some good bullheads here and a few microbill, but there's also a ton of fall fish and big shiners, so let's catch some fish. I will be changing out this guy, mosquito fish. I'm changing him out for some fresh bread. It's fresh, it's been sitting in here for quite a while. Subscribe if you like more content like this, because like, I don't really have many subscribers, but we keep going. I'm just hoping some of you guys subscribe. Mostly we're hit by shorts, but we do have these full-form videos. Wooden shank. Pretty good. I think I'll be changing for good. This is my fresh loaf. Right here. I have to do this all with one hand because I don't have a fresh mount, but I do plan to get one. Still fresh. Just sitting in this moldy backpack. Yeah, so there's that guy. We'll be taking him off real quick. I use latches. Like in a previous video, ouch. Okay. In a previous video, we debated latches. Catch of the day, and we caught this smallie. I think he's a smallie. I don't know what he is. He's definitely something. We hooked him really bad. Like right there through the eye. So, I don't think I'll be filming this unhooking. What is this? If y'all can figure out what this is, just, like, let me know. I think it might be a fall fish. Or a baby smallie. Alright. Looks like something's nipping at that. Not much yet. Alright, it came off. Yeah, I might just head in for the day because I'm not really catching anything here. Compared to the lake, at least. Yeah, this place is really cool and stuff. I did get a few good catches here, but not today.